everybody. Ding, 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 I'm here. And today we are going to be making a Reese's Pieces milkshake. Okay, so to make the Reese's Pieces milkshake, you're going to need some milk, cocoa powder, peanut butter, Reese's Pieces cups, bananas, honey, and a blender. So all these ingredients are necessary to make the best milkshake ever. And guess what? It's only one serving, so you don't got to share with your annoying brother or sister. Let's get started. Give me a second. Let's just organize this up. Okay, so you're gonna start off with as many Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups you desire. I mean, I would use the bigger ones. I'm using the smaller ones, so I don't know. I have a recipe somewhere. Let's go to buy it. That's just part out, please. Yeah, so just gonna fill them one by one. Let's get that done. Okay guys, we're done. Your guitar fell down for the 5th time. Yay. Okay, we're all done. Now let's scrape all this junk off into. Okay, we're just gonna let them be. Just, hold on, let me make sure there's no whole ones in here. Okay. Next. Okay, whatever. Once you got your Reese's Pieces, I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 12 here. Do you think I should be at 15? I do like Reese's Pieces. We'll see. I might do one more. Whoop. Okay, guys. Next year, Reese's Pieces. Okay, guys. Don't worry about who's opening the fridge right now. Cut about half of it. Don't forget to eat one because making this gonna make you hungry. Alright. Okay. Now we're gonna make our mixture. And to do that, you're gonna need. I just had a spoon. Where's my spoon? There it is. So you're gonna mix about a spoon of cocoa powder into your 1 cup of milk. Stir it in. We're not making chocolate milk, by the way. Okay, once you get that fully combined, you're gonna add in some of your honey. Add about 2 teaspoons of your favorite honey. And stir. It should look real disgusting right now. That's good. You're gonna add half your mixture. There's a reason we do this. And then you're gonna add your this and this. And all your Reese's Pieces and all your bananas. And then you're gonna put a knife in there and kind of chop up the Reese's Pieces. Not really. Okay. And after that, you're going to add in some peanut butter. And this is going to help thicken up the smoothie along with the bananas. That and the bananas are going to be our lifesaver. Since we're not adding any vanilla ice cream, because I don't have any vanilla ice cream now. Now, we're going to put that here. We're going to mix it up. We're only going to add half, and there's a reason we added half. Because now you're going to use as much of that as you want. And then you're just going to use as much of that mixture as you'd like until you get. Yeah. until you get to your desired consistency. Let's just clean up a little bit. Okay guys, you're gonna grab a glass. Perfect. And then you're just gonna pour. And we're gonna watch the baking pour. Okay guys, after you pour, let's stick a straw in it. I've forgotten everything today. Where are the straws? Okay guys, you choose in the comments, green or blue. Wait, blue or green. Okay, and then with our smoothie, we're just gonna take a big bite. But before we do, there's one more thing we gotta add. We gotta add some whipped cream. Some whipped cream and the Reese's Pieces right there. Bon appetit. Let's take a sip. Take a sip, guys. Mmm. That's good. And you don't even need vanilla ice cream, it's so thick. Mmm. Perfect. Now, put some of these things in the mash bowl. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Wait. But I always gotta clap myself out of here.